this is a fluke. We're live.
So, mad scientist, what's today's talking point?
Today's talking point, we're doing an overview of what we're going to accomplish on this to get it on the road.
Because we never really talked about the car much, did we?
No,
We
it's
just
always
alluded to
been
it.
Alluded. It's 1966 Porsche 912. My favorite way. Not a sunroof, not a Target. It's a hardtop. Ooh, love them that way. Today is sponsored by Endurance Laser Works.
Well, we got to go back.
We got to go back, show them her logo.
Our lovely title sponsor, Endurance Laser Works.
Dedicated sponsor for us.
Yeah. All right.
So, part of what we're going to do, there's some things, a lot of stuff needs to be changed. The last time this car was on the road was 2006. That's a long time. That's 20 years. So almost anything that's rubber is shot, including like this bushing back here. Let me get a flashlight. Yeah, that is just not acceptable. And you can see it looks like it's been a file. There is actually, it looks like a ridge right here on the top. So quick, easy to get it done, because once this puppy is on the road,
He's not going to want to stop driving it.
Stopping driving it. So we're really excited. If you missed the video of this cold starting, first start, this is going to be spicy. It's going to be nice. It's going to be a lot of fun. It will be turboed. It's set up to be turboed, but we're just going to run it carbureted. And then after we get done, get bored, we will turbo it, fuel inject it, and have a good time. So some of the things I know we're going to upgrade is the front brakes. The rotors
you want to show them up there?
Let's go up there.
I'll go on a little walk.
So we have solid rotors. That's not going to stop this bad boy.
Well, it might a couple times,
Yeah, but so we do have a new front end. We have new struts and stuff. We're upgraded 911 front suspension to put on here. The unfortunate part is it's broke. If you see here,
Scooby.
this thing got shipped via the bus, and somehow it got broke.
The bus. You mean
bus.
Greyhound?
Greyhound shipping. Back when they would do that.
Do they not do that anymore? That used to
No
be
idea.
great.
I don't even know if Greyhound exists.
Used to be a great hack, though, if you had big car parts and you weren't in a rush.
Exactly. Picked these up the other week. These are for rear brakes, 911 around SCs, 79, 80s. But I was looking, it is only 100 thousandths difference in this area for clearance. So I don't know. Brand new. I don't think they're rebuilt. Either way. But I do have over here, from a previous build, these are M-style 911 front brake calipers. We will need to rebuild them, which is not hard. They're fairly easy. So we will rebuild these, and this is probably what we're going to be using to stop this bad boy in the front.
So that'll get you a vented rotor at that point?
This will give us, we'll be able to run a vented rotor. And if you come over here, you can see this is the rotor setup that we will be running. And the rotors look really nice. That little bit of surface rust. But this is an upgraded front end setup for this car.
Direct bolt in?
Should be a direct bolt in. I really have to look, make sure. I haven't looked at the lower ball joint, if it is the same, but this does have a different title. I don't know what this front end is called versus this front end, but this front end will be, it will be upgraded. This is a better front suspension. I just want to do it right the first time. We're not going to be running steel braided brake lines. I've had a very bad experience with them. I'm going to go with the old-fashioned, brand new rubber hoses. I do have a set or two braided brake lines for this. I'm not going to use them. it's not going to be needed. So what we'll do is anything that's rubber, master cylinder, brake lines, all the fuel lines, the Bowden tube we know is bad, bushings if they need it. It's going to be fairly fast to do all that, but it does need to be done. So we don't want to hurt this once it's going down the road. So thank you for joining us today. This is going to be a fast one.
So just do a quick overview of the car while we're here. I mean,
sure.
We haven't really even.
The only sad part is right here. This is one of my. I know some guys that are really good at painting. We'll have to see if the Milford brothers would maybe be interested in helping us out a little bit. Interior is not bad. Got a lot of OEM Porsche parts for that.
Probably can't.
Can you open the door?
Well, stuff in the way.
Oh, 8mm.
Are you missing that?
We do have another set of front seats. They are, I believe, yes.
You have the matching door cards for those?
I don't know. I do have matching door cards for these.
Can we get the driver's seat?
Yes.
Let's see.
Oh, how did you do that?
Long arm.
So this is a 3-gauge 912. Doesn't matter to me if it's 3 or 4. We got a 912,
right? I think it's either 3 or 5.
A beautiful AM/FM radio.
Again, no sunroof.
No sunroof. That's wonderful.
You gonna run the Fuchs or are you gonna run something else?
I don't know. I love the Fuchs. This thing is absolutely gorgeous on the Steelies, but I think we're going to have to run the Fuchs. It's more.
You got options, right?
We got options. And then back here we have the engine compartment. It's going to need to be power washed, cleaned, detailed. Oh, we are going to have to probably run a new wiring harness. These wires. They're brittle. They're hard. Oh, that's what that's stuck.
Your microphone.
My microphone. We're going to have to get a new wiring harness for this. Plus, with its fuel injection, we are going to be running a lot more power.
Right, the amperage draw.
We're going to have more. I did purchase an upgraded alternator. This will be running a Volkswagen Bug Type 1 style alternator, and it's a higher amperage. Because this car had nothing. AM radio. I don't even know if it
maybe
had a fan.
Blower motor for you.
I don't even know how to blower motor to push it. They're probably in the dash had a blower motor, but nothing back here to help it. This car will have heat, will not have air conditioning. So come back. Like and subscribe because you're not going to want to miss any of this.
Talking to the microphone.
Hello. Testing.
Okay. We might have to get that over again.